Good morning, everyone. Tony with Blue Collar Barbecue. Hope everybody's having a good day, ready to kick off the weekend. Today we've got brisket. We're getting these ready for the Tipsy Goose. For those of you that are just joining us, we're in partnership now with the Tipsy Goose here in Watertown, Wisconsin. We're going to be providing them with barbecue, and Saturdays they're going to be running our brisket as a special for Saturdays only. Maybe down the road they'll pop it in one or two more times on the menu, but as it stands right now, they're going to do brisket on Saturdays and feature our pulled pork the rest of the week, and then have us do some other things to keep it fun throughout the week. Really love this Ironside cooker. You can see you can get plenty of food on here. I think I shorted myself and should have gone with more brisket or gotten something else on here. Anyway, we're going to be wrapping these up here pretty quick, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.